By the end of this video, you will know how to create a Google Slides presentation using a ChatGPT prompt. If you go to your Google Apps and open the Slides, which is a presentation app, this is a new presentation. If you go to extensions, you will see something called apps script, which is a code based. It's very similar to JavaScript, but it's a code based way of developing a presentation. In Microsoft PowerPoint, you will be using VBA, but in Google Slides, we'll be using app script. So let's go back to ChatGPT and give our prompt. We will be asking it to create a presentation for the topic would be how to stay motivated for fitness, and I have given the prompt. Your prompt should be very detailed. If you haven't learned yet how to create these prompts, how to write these prompts, there is a video I will mention up top that you can use to create the perfect prompt. And once I have given it the prompt, it will create me the app script to develop or create my presentation. I have given precise instructions to have only 5 slides and to describe or to make sure that it is properly worded. And yeah, so that's the goal for ChatGPT, and it is creating me the script. Once the script is done, we will be using it to create our Google slide presentation. It will also give you the instructions that you will need to follow. Alright, so let's copy this script. The script is copied. Let's go to app script. Let's paste the code. Let's save it. Once saved, you can run it from here. Google will not run the script automatically. It will ask you to authorize. There should be a pop-up to authorize this request. Choose your account. Click advanced. Click go to untitled. And if you see, this project wants to access your Google account. Let me click allow. So the presentation has been created successfully. So I can just close this, and if I go back to my Google app, let me go back to the slides, and you can see it has generated a presentation. The first slide is the dummy slide. I'll remove that. And if you see how to stay motivated for fitness, and yeah, it has created me 5 slides, and it looks quite minimal. So I can add, if you want to add something more, you can just review it and just follow the process again. Looks good so far, but I want some more description. So let's go back to ChatGPT and ask it to give us some more detailed explanation to what exactly each slide is referring to. So I've asked it to add some more words and details. Let's go back to our Google Slides, a blank presentation, extensions, app scripts. Go back to ChatGPT. It is generating the new version of the same presentation. The script is ready, and we will just copy it and follow the same process. Paste, save the project, and run. Google will again prompt the authorization dialog or the pop-up. Once allowed, it should run successfully and create my presentation. This is the presentation that it created me just now. Let me delete the first slide again. Everything else looks good. So just do a proofread. You want to add something, you can add. Once you have added everything, let's do some formatting. So let me add a theme. Select the best theme, the theme that you would like for your slides. Let me go back, and this one looks good. So this is selected. Now I'll just fast forward this video. I'll add a few images. So you can add images. This is just a Google search of images. So any related images that you can find, just drop in. This is a very rough presentation, but I'll show you even this would look good. I'm just adding a few pictures for the each slide, whatever it is referring to. So I'm just making it a bit more visual because as you know, the visuals are very helpful when you create presentations. So that's what I'm doing right now. A couple more pictures and that should be it. Yeah, that looks good. Now let me just add something here as well. Looks all right. So let me just run this slideshow and let's have a look how it looks. This looks pretty good. The wordings are obviously from ChatGPT. You could have asked it to create multiple slides. I restricted it for 5 slides, and that's it. So if you like this video, please do like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.